Here we are, day 3. Which is fantastic. It started off absolutely biblical with the weather. It wasn't looking very good to get going, was it, Dad?
It was not, no.
There we are, fantastic. By the way, for all you viewers, this is my dad, the legend himself. So he's
Hello,
back.
everybody. Nice to...
Yeah, it's good to have you here, because obviously last time my dad was here, he had a gearbox seizure, which chucked him into the mountain. So he's here with a brand new femur and getting a fantastically big monkey off his back. And now which corner was it?
Black Hut, over the mountain.
Black Hut. So what was that like going around that corner again?
Well, I've been around 5 times in the last 2-3 days, and it's nice to get it done 5 times, and I'll put that one to bed, so here we go again.
Fantastic. So, and this is the embarrassing thing. So this is the real embarrassing thing. So we both went out in the F1, and unfortunately there was an incident at Rencullen. Hopefully the riders all fitting well on that side of things.
Absolutely.
And we so we got out just before the mist fully closed in for the ending of the practice. My dad went out on his lightweight bike, Super Twin, wasn't it? Super Twin. I went out on the 250 of John Chapman's beautiful TSR, bedding in the pistons, and my dad decides to put in a faster lap speed than me. So this isn't any good for me, is it?
First time for a long time, and one I'm going to put in the history book. So I'm really looking forward to that one. Yeah, I've asked somebody to put a screenshot out of that one. So hey!
Fantastic. So no, we're back here in base camp, as you can see, the lovely tarpaulin, because we're not all perfect. We forgot the sides as a team effort. We forgot to bring the side of the awning, but yeah, we're here to race and we're keen to get going. So my dear mother's put a... What are we having, Mum?
You're having a lovely mix of tacos with salads, or those that one can have chips with mince.
Fantastic. So we're looking forward to dinner, and obviously let's get going for day number... This is day 3, isn't it?
Wednesday.
And this is going on the day 4, so we're getting a full day of double practice. So catch you all later on.
Excellent. Bye.